How's it going? Alfred here. I am going to be replacing my 2015 F-150 tailgate latch. One, because it's broken. Two, because it's broken. So here's my latch right now. You can still open it. You can open it here like that. But it's obviously broken. It has no handle. When we moved the hitch for our truck, for the trailer, it hit this. It hit the handle, hit it, and broke it. So first, you're gonna have to open your tailgate. All right, so I got my little toolbox. Has everything I need in it. So we're gonna have to take out these bolts here first. All right, so with these latch bolts, nuts, you actually need a 10, not an 11, because you don't want to be in this little hole trying to crank out these nuts here. These nuts right here. These are the only two things holding the actual handle together. So you don't need to remove this. You don't need to remove this plastic here. All you have to do is remove this faceplate here that we just put up there, and then those two nuts right there. All right, so we have the nuts off here. Here's one, and the other one's over there. And now we're gonna pinch this green piece together to release the latch. All right, so what you do now is close your tailgate. You're gonna be able to open it back up from the inside. But what we're gonna do is pry the latch off in this motion here. And it comes right out just like that. All right, so now what you do is release this green piece here from the latch. So we're gonna remove the latch now. So this part, the metal part of the latch, is removed. So this is the new latch here. It actually has this green piece, so you didn't really need to pop that off. I'll actually put the other piece back on. So we are going to reattach the latch. So you put it into the little hole, and then flip this down and it clips on. And so we're going to reattach the, so you're gonna need to lift the latch up and then place it inside just like that. All right, so make sure it's properly secure and fitted inside of the tailgate. All right, so you're gonna reach inside of the tailgate and push this metal lever down, and it'll open the tailgate. All right, so now you just put the nuts back on, reattach the latch, and then put this faceplate back on. And there you have it, a fully functional tailgate latch.